Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. We just got in a whole boatload full of Fatip razors from Italy. They've been made since I think around 1950. Really classic, nice looking razors with fine detailing, and they feel really good in the hand and they look really nice as well. So I thought I would take what I would think would be the beastliest one of all for the first razor review, the shave and review, and that would be this one right here. It's called the Fatip Storto Polished Gold Open Comb Slant Bar Safety Razor. It's quite a mouthful, right? Storto, loosely translated in Italian, means the crooked or slanted. So let's take a look and see how crooked it is. Here it is in the box, right there. Let's remove it. I thought this one just looked really cool, so I decided to do the first review with this razor. You can see how it's got a wicked slant to it. It really does curve downward. And it's got diagonal lines running down the length of the handle. Down here at the bottom, it's got little vertical lines that are cut very precisely that make it very easy to grip with your little finger, your pinky down there. And then up here is a band of smooth polished chrome. Up on top, all smooth polished chrome as well. At the bottom, there's a hole. On the bottom side of the head, it does say Fatip right there. Let me give you the specs on this razor real quick. This razor weighs in at 2.4 ounces or 68 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.3 inches or 85 millimeters. So it's a pretty decent sized razor, and the curve, the slant, looks pretty wicked. So I'm very excited to do a shave with this razor. It's a 3-piece razor, so it breaks down into 3 pieces. Let's disassemble it. Remove the handle, top cap, safety bar. You can see the teeth. Looks like they might bite. We'll see. We'll find out. And what else would I use but a feather blade right here? Let's remove it from the paper and insert it over the post and the 2 pins like so. Right there, and then reinstall the safety bar and then the handle. Nice and easy. Snug it down all the way. Check that reveal. Ooh, that blade's got a twist. That blade's got a nice skew to it. You can see that. Check it on both sides. It is even all the way across. It'll be interesting to see how this razor shaves because there is quite a twist on that blade. It's skewed for sure. By the way, this razor also comes in a chrome version right here, but I want to use the gold version. I'll be using Taub Sandalwood. I'm going to do a quick face lathering with the Simpson's Trafalgar T3 shaving brush, synthetic brush. Hot water in the marble cup. Just drop the brush right in there. That's what it looks like before it gets saturated. And once it soaks up some water, that's what it looks like. I'm just going to let that soak. I'm going to warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Okay, my beard is good and warm. Got a couple days beard growth going on here, so we can see how this razor performs. Let's crack the cap on the Taub Sandalwood. Remove the brush from the water. Just give it a few shakes. Remove the bulk of that water. We'll just go right in here and wet the tips, like so. Just saturate those tips. And right to the face with a face lather. A little bit of water. Just add water sparingly as you go along with this synthetic brush. Drive it into the beard. These synthetic brushes, they don't hold on to the lather as well as the Badger brushes. You can see it kind of falls out of the brush. A little bit more water. You can apply your lather any way you please. Circular, paint, figure 8, smooth everything out, set the brush down, clear the runway so we can see the sideburns. Dry the fingers. All right, before we get started, here's a look at both of them. The gold and the silver, Storto, the crooked, slant bar open comb safety razor. I'll cool it off, temper it under the cold water. Here we go, find our angle. Let's see how this thing performs. Oh yeah, takes it right off. Just gonna take my time. First time ever shaving with this razor. You can see how the grooves allow the shaving cream to sneak through. Open comb razor generally gives you a close shave. And the slant, no doubt. Both sides are filled, lots of stubble. Let's rinse that. Cold water. Work your way down the neckline. Excellent. Very good. I'm going to rinse that. Looks like it's ready to fall off, so I better rinse it. All right, left side. Find your angle. Work your way down. Pretty aggressive shaving razor. Mowing straight through my beard easily. All right, let's see if we can make it through without that falling off. Neckline. See what I mean? You can see the open comb, how it works. It allows that shaving cream to slide through. Gets the blade a little closer to the skin. All right, both sides filled. Let's rinse that. Mustache, scoop right under the nose. Gets in there easily. First pass, very nice, very smooth. Let's rinse this, we'll do another one. Warm water rinse. Just a quick rinse. Brush is still loaded. Now a light coating of shaving cream. Clear the runways one more time. All right, the first pass was with the grain north to south. Now we'll go across the grain with the slant. Just nice and easy. Razor's nice and cold. Backhand. Cleft. Rinse that. Against the grain on the neck. Very good. Rinse that. Across the mustache. Just use the tip right in the corner, clean that area out under the nose, then lay it flat. Other side. Little cleanup. You can just rest it in your palm. It just makes it down there. So it's pretty comfortable to hold on to. Let's rinse that. And rinse my face. Okay, let's feel around after that second pass. Wow, very nice. No more is needed. Excellent. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block. Just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Give you a little feedback. If you get some stinging, maybe you went a little too close. I'm not getting any stinging here. Got a good, really smooth shave from this razor. This will also seal off any small nicks or weepers if you got any. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. What do we have here? Some Parasso, Aloe and Vitamin E, Aftershave, Balm. Still chilly here. Where are we at? Oh, I achieved my exercise goal while I was shaving. 41 degrees, cloudy, so a balm is still good. Still got that Chicago weather. Massage that into the skin. Give you some nice protection throughout the day. And the forehead. Just don't let it go into your eyes. Oh, the crooked one provided me with a very nice shave today. Check out those teeth. It didn't even bite, not at all. Actually felt like it wouldn't bite. It just felt like a nice smooth shave. I would put this close to the R41. I did take my time. I wasn't going fast. Just nice and slow. Let the weight of the razor do the work. This is probably one of your more aggressive razors on the market now. Check those teeth. And with the feather blade, pretty aggressive. 2 passes, all that was needed. Cheeks, chin, neck, mustache, everything baby smooth. Really a nice shave. Comfortable in the hand. Beautiful to look at as well. That gleaming gold, that polished gold, beautiful razor. And the feather blade, you know, that kicks it up all the way. If you want to make it less aggressive, just try a different blade other than the feather. You can go Derby, Shark, Astra, any other type of blade. I guess maybe I shouldn't say any Voskhod, Rapira, any of those, but or even the Astra made in St. Petersburg. How about Bic, made in Greece, Persona made in USA, RK blades made in India, Derby's made in India, I believe, Merkur made in Germany. So those are a few. I'm not getting political here. I'm just informing you of what blades are made in Russia and some that are not. That's all. It's your choice. You do what you want to do. I'm not even going there. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to pick up this razor or any other Fatip razor, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab these items right there. The shaving cream, the brush, Allen block, wide stick Allen block, any of that. Let me read this to you about the razor. Fatip Lo Storto Gold Double Edge Slant Bar Safety Razor, Testina Originale. In 2020, Fatip introduced the Slant line, which they call Lo Storto, which is loosely translated as crooked or slanted. These are available in both open comb, Testina Originale, and closed comb safety bar, Testina Gentile models. The open comb version is more aggressive and well suited to heavier beard growth. Fatip, the Italian razors with the original brass head, are handmade in Premana district overlooking Lake Como, well known thanks to the expertise and skilled production of metals. The well-balanced design perfectly ensures a refined, precise shaving experience. This model has a gleaming gold plating and is a 3-piece slant razor with an open comb, Testina Originale, making it an aggressive, efficient shaving razor. Handmade in Premana, Italy. About Fatip. Since 1950, Fatip has been producing quality double-edged razors with distinctive designs. Handmade in Italy by expert craftsmen, Fatip's razors feature open and closed comb heads, well-balanced handles, and polished metals in a variety of hues. With their classic vintage styling and high-performance design, Fatip's razors offer a refined, precise shaving experience. Approximate dimensions: handle length 3.14 inches or 80 millimeters, total length 3.3 inches, 85 millimeters, width of the head 1.6 inch or 42 millimeters, and the weight is 2.4 ounces or 68 grams. Made in Italy, this razor is Shave Nation item number SN777. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, before I head out, please smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.